This one is 5. Right? This one is 4. So therefore this one and this one is 32 minus 4, which is 28. 28 need to divide by 2. Give you 14 each. Right? Right? Then after that, your this one here, maybe I use a different color. This one here, you fold it. It will become here, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So therefore you fold this, you will become this. So therefore this part is actually here.
5.
So therefore this part is 5. Maybe I should use a different color. So this one, you fold it, will become this. So therefore this is 5. This part, you fold it, that means you come down, you will get here, right? So this is 5 as well, right? So now, this is pretty simple. You don't need these two. So this will be 9. Right?
Yeah.
So now they ask you to find the area of XYZ, right? XYZ, okay?
Yes.
Very simple. So I assume this is the X, this is the Y, and then this is the Z, right? Right?
Yes.
So let's figure out this one first, the X first. Okay? For the X, for the X, this is 9, right? Okay?
Yes.
And this part is 14, right? Right?
Yeah.
Then this is 5, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, so how do we do this? We just take out one of them, then we try to figure it out. So I just withdraw it a little bit. 9, 14, and 5. Right?
Yes.
This is a trapezium. How do you find the area of a trapezium? Let's say you don't know the formula. If you don't know the formula, what you can use? You can break it down to rectangle and triangle, right?
Yes.
So the rectangle is 9 times 5. So area of 1 is 9 times 5, which is 45 cm squared. 2, area of 2 is half times base times height, right?
Yes.
Because it's a triangle. So this part is 5, right?
Yeah.
So therefore it's 5 times 5, half times the base 5 times the height 5, so this is 12.5. So you just add these two together, you get the trapezium, which is 57.5 cm squared. That's the X, area of X. Clear? So area of X is 57.5. Then the area for Z is also 57.5, right?
Yeah.
It's the same thing, right? So for the Y is which part? For the Y is this part. So this is 4, right? This part is 5, right?
Yes.
So it's 4 times 5 is 20, right? So therefore this part is 20. So you just add these 3 together. That will give you the total, right? Does it make sense?
Yes.
You don't have to do it. Alright? Just punch the calculator. This plus this plus this. That will give you the total XYZ. Simple? Okay, no need. Good.